Guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Raf. So I just want to quickly do this video to show you a project we've had in the workshop. So we've done a video recently with Mike from WAVTECH where we discussed their products, and I was really impressed by what I heard. I've also spoken to some peers in the industry, people I know who have used the WAVTECH products, and they've been absolutely blown away by it. So I thought, you know what, we need to try these out for ourselves. So this chap's approached us. He's a really nice guy, actually. We've had a really nice conversation. We met up, he looked for the XM, loved what we've done in the XM, and he just said, look, do me something. The lovely thing with this was, when I looked at his car and we opened the boot, I saw he had like a cool box in there and a few other bits and bobs. So he does use his boot. And we discussed different systems, and I thought, you know what, the WAVTECHs will be perfect for this, because the WAVTECH shallow woofers, unlike a lot of other shallow woofers, they don't need huge boxes to play in. So we've installed in this car, and I'll show you what we've done in a second, two 12-inch WAVTECH ThinPro subwoofers. So two 12s. We've also used a WAVTECH 1500 watt mono amplifier to drive these subwoofers. What's brilliant about these amplifiers is it will give you the rated power at whatever impedance, so you don't have any problems with output on the amplifier. So we've got two 2-ohm subwoofers. We're running them down to 1 ohm to get really good power out of the amplifier. And we think we've done a really nice job of this. So let's open the boot and show you what we've done, guys. So guys, here we have it. So firstly, when the boot opens, what we've done is we've used addressable LEDs to give us a nice pattern. These can be changed. We've obviously discussed this with the client. This is the design he wants to go for. So we've got two 12-inch woofers. They're in a ported enclosure. So it's an up-firing port. So the ports at the back, they're hidden. I just thought aesthetically it looked a bit better. We've done a nice trim on top of it all. We've trimmed the subwoofer box in matching vinyl to the actual seats in the car, and then we've done an Alcantara on the trim panel. Come out really nice. I think it looks awesome. I hope you guys like it. The amplifier itself, we've hidden underneath this panel here. Again, gone in really neat. That's a 1500 watt mono amplifier. I will overlay some images as well. All in all, this sounds really good. I mean, we've played it, and I'll be honest with you, I'm absolutely shocked at what these woofers can do. We've played them, and we've done big installs using traditional subwoofers where, 3-4 cubic foot boxes. So, if we done two traditional subwoofers in this car to get what this chap wanted, which was deep, heavy, shaking bass, half his boot would have been gone. But you look at that, and I think you'll agree, we haven't taken up much of his boot at all. So we've got pretty much all that boot room left over. The subwoofer box we've designed and built, so we've got quick release plugs on the back. So let's say this guy did want to take the subwoofer enclosure out. You can unplug it, pull it out, away he goes. You can use the car as normal. This car left the factory with the Bowers and Wilkins system. So when I was chatting to this chap, he said to me he was very happy with the actual system in the car. He just wanted a bit more low end, and I definitely think we've got that. I hope you guys like what we've done. I'm well proud of what we've done. The team's done a brilliant job once again. We were really under the cosh on this job because we had a lot of jobs in the workshop, but everyone's pulled together, and everyone does their little part, and we've all pulled together and got it all done really well. Big shout out to a good friend of mine, Paul, who comes in and helps us whenever we need him. We gave him a call and said, we need a hand. We've got so many jobs in the workshop. And like always, he comes in and helps us. So thank you, Paul. Really good install. Guy's picking it up shortly. Let's see what he thinks. But yeah, I'm really happy. Please let us know what you think. Thanks for watching, guys.